guys, welcome to our channel, Food with Us. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this awesome recipe, barbecue chicken thighs. Now, I gotta say, I love to make this dish because it does not take much, but it is super delicious. Like, you're gonna love it. So let's get started. First ingredient we have are chicken thighs. So I have 3 here because I am a family of 3, but you can use however many you need, and you can even double up on this recipe. It will still be absolutely delicious. And the next ingredient I have is adobo, all-purpose seasoning, which a lot of Latin people use that. And then I also have sazon as well, con culantro y achote. I have Dominican oregano. You can use any oregano you have as well. I have ground black pepper, classic olive oil. Now you can use any type of olive oil, whether it's the virgin olive oil, that's perfectly fine. And then I have half a lime, and I have 1 clove of garlic. So you can use 2 cloves if you like your food more on the garlicky side, but I use 1. And then our last ingredient, but the most delicious part of this meal, Sweet Baby Ray's honey barbecue sauce. And you can use as little or as much as you like. Alright guys, so let's get started. We're going to start mixing and putting all these ingredients together. And the measurements I'm going to be using today is 1 teaspoon. And then I have half a teaspoon here. I have 2 just to kind of make it a bit quicker. And then I also have a lemon or lime squeezer. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you the first ingredient, which was the adobo. I'm going to go ahead and add half a teaspoon to the plate that I had here with the garlic. Okay, and then I also took half a teaspoon as well of the Dominican oregano. Okay, and then I'm also going to be putting in some ground black pepper, which I'm going to just sprinkle some on there to my liking. And you can do as little or as much as you like. And then I'm going to go ahead and squeeze my lime. Alright. And then I'm going to add my sazon packet. Then I'm going to go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of my olive oil. And this is just to help everything work its way together. Alright guys, so I went ahead and I seasoned these bad boys up. You just pour that juiciness all over that chicken and just get in there with your hands and season it up. And then afterwards, I went ahead and I placed it in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 minutes. All right, guys, I am back. So as you can see, our chicken has been cooking for about 35 to 40 minutes. And I'm going to go ahead and add that Sweet Baby Ray sauce. So I'm using this thing here. It just makes it a lot easier. But you can go ahead and use a spoon or whatever you have. So I'm going to go ahead and put some barbecue sauce, how we like it. And just kind of squirt some on there. And then I'm gonna go ahead and smear that goodness on there. Doesn't that look so good? And it smells great. So after this, we're actually gonna go ahead and pop this in for about 10 to 15 minutes more, just so that barbecue sauce can stick on there. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop this back in and leave this in there for 10-15 minutes, and I'll be right back with you guys to show you the finishing product. So welcome back. As you can see, our barbecue chicken thighs are done, and don't those look so good? So I did went ahead and leave them in for 15 minutes just to get that barbecue sauce good on there, but they are looking juicy. And I just want to say, guys, thank you so much for watching, and definitely like, subscribe, and comment, and I would love to hear your feedback. And definitely come back to watch us. Come make more food with us. And I just want to let you know that this pairs up with anything, like potatoes, rice and beans, which, by the way, stay tuned because my next video is actually going to be white rice with beans together. At some point, I'm definitely going to go ahead and show you guys how to do that white rice separate with beans separated, and a whole bunch of other recipes that I use. So definitely stay tuned, guys, and thank you so much again for watching. See you next time. Bye.